guys, I spotted a pretty small iguana sitting on top of the palm to the right. He's sitting on top of the frond. You can just see his head poking up. Our background is open air, but further out from there is just open water. How you doing? How you feel about me taking care of this iguana right here while you're in the area? You good with that? All right. Oh, there's one with your stuff.
Oh,
Don't
there is.
it.
On the ground.
Don't try. We won't do anything about him. We'll try to get one up there. There he is. You see the little frond on the right-hand palm? He's sticking his head up.
Copy.
You see him?
Yeah.
The sun is really blinding right now.
Got him.
Hit his chest though. That was his head. That's the shake.
He hears you.
That's the shake.
He hears you.
There is the other. You don't hear anything anymore, I promise.
Yeah.
Oh, there he goes. Delayed action.
There we go. Got you, iguana. Promise he doesn't hear anything or see anything.
Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Got you, iguana. Thank you. We're going to wash this off. Okay, guys, we want to show you why places pay us to get iguanas. People pay to live in these complexes, or they're part of an HOA because they own the condominium, and they want to have a normal life where they can plant plants and enjoy their backyard. And these people have had to build a screened-in garden just so that iguanas won't decimate the plants. Which, of course, if you're trying to do a butterfly garden, defeats the purpose, because now the butterflies can't get to the flowers. It is a never-ending battle. One iguana in just about an hour would eat all of these plants to the nub, to the ground, and there would be nothing left of them, and you just wasted your money, your time, effort, and the plants are dead. So, just to give you an idea of the effort, imagine their frustration to the point to where you're willing to build a cage around your flowers. Then you're willing to pay us to get iguanas. There's a baby iguana right there by that rope. You see it?
Yeah. Oh, look across from you.
Oh. Well, how'd you pull that? As soon as we left, you came out?
Thought the coast was a clear.
There's our little one we shot by the black rock. Let's see if we can get this thing since he's sitting right here. I'm going to try to catch this angle in case it ricochets. It's still going back that way.
Slapped him.
Straight through the head.
Spun him around, yeah.
Come on, that boat. There he is. He'll wait for us there. Got you, iguana.
Sit, iguana. Sit.
Good boy. Got you, iguana. Jermaine spotted one on the dock, and he's moved down on us a little bit here. He's bought some of that equipment. I don't know how I feel about shooting right there. Let me see what's behind it. Got him. Holding just barely above his head because he's just under 20 yards. But got you, iguana, and no pooping on the boat. The guy that owns that boat actually comes out and talks to us. He hates the iguanas. He says they even end up in his boat and stuff like that, pooping in his boat and stuff. Got you, iguana. I hit just below him.
See if we can get him to drop.
I hit below him again. I'm hitting the front.
Yeah, I see that.
There
Got
he
it.
is.
Rolled him over.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's extremely small. This is a really small target.
There. Right here. I forgot I'd put it on lower power. Oh.
Oh man, I thought he was about to come and pay us a visit.
Know,
Yeah.
Right? Here he is, here he is. I don't think I'm gonna have to hit him. He's gonna fall. Here you go.
Look at her. She's shaking a tree.
Oh,
It worked. It worked.
got you, iguana. I'm sorry? Hey guys, we were just walking back to the truck and this big old orange iguana behind me was coming down the tree. We're gonna try to get him. Oh, he's already on the ground. Come on, we're moving.
Gonna catch him on the move.
Got you, iguana. No sneaking away, iguana. Yo, it was cooler this morning, but it's got to be in the 70s already, and it's about 11:30, and so the iguanas are just pouring out of the trees this afternoon, coming down. We'll be in one spot, and as soon as we come back, the iguana is right there where we just were. Y'all saw it on the other side at the dock. So yeah, we just jumped out the truck and coming down. This boy's coming down the tree looking at us like maybe they won't see me, but we did, and we got it. Got you, iguana. Atomic XR at work. Check out Airguns of Arizona. They'll hook you up with one. Pulled up in the parking lot and there's an iguana right here, which is very rare for this property. We usually only have iguanas out by the seawall, so I'm gonna try to open my door. I'm gonna have to shoot through the window. He's probably gonna go up this palm. Let's see if I can get a shot on him. He's less than 10 yards. Got you, iguana. Oh, he's a spinner. Got you, iguana. Got an iguana sneaking across the water over there, a little over 20 yards. There we go. Flipped him. Hopefully he doesn't fall in the water and we'll be able to go and grab him. Got you, iguana. He makes like number 8 or 9 that we've gotten in a pretty short amount of time. So we're gonna go pick them up, line them up, and show you what we got. Got you, iguana. Grass is probably about the same size as the one we just shot across the water. I'm gonna try to shoot him before he runs to the seawall. A little over 20 yards. Got you again. Now let's see it. There's 2 more. He sunk to the bottom right here. Look, see him going down? Do you want to get the net and we'll be able to grab him?
Sure.
Because there's no current right now. So we got 2 right here, and we'll keep our eye on these 2. And look, there's a big one at the bench, one in front of the bench. Yeah, those are the 2. They just moved down.
Cool.
Hey guys, I went and picked up the one off the ground over there, and I just wanted to show you, he has no back leg. and it looks like it's recently healed over. You could see the wound where his leg was completely ripped off there at the joint. So he was a three-legged iguana we just took. And then this guy down here, let's see if I can reach him. He's pretty far down. All right, guys, so we're out here wrapping up. We got, I think, 14 iguanas, 14 iguanas. One was missing a back leg. 2 iguanas got away in the water. 1 got away in the water, but 1 sunk to the bottom, and he was just so in the barnacles that we couldn't pull him out with the net. So we're pretty happy with the numbers, considering when we first came out, they weren't out here because it was cold, but it heated up really fast today and the iguanas came out. It is January 2022. We used the Atomic XR today, a 22 cal pellet rifle, of course. And if you like the gun we were out using today, check out Airguns of Arizona. They can help you out over there. They have really nice staff, and they'll be happy to help you to find the right gun for your price point and what you're trying to do with your pellet guns. So, got you, Iguana, and thanks for joining us. Catch us next time. Alright guys, there is one owl right here. He was out the burrow, but the truck scared him a little. This is the native burrowing owl that sometimes iguanas go in their holes. The iguanas will scare them out. And sometimes they scare out the females while they're nesting, and they'll end up abandoning the nest. And so the eggs go bad or the chicks starve. So we've been trying to help get iguanas, especially in areas where these owls are present, because they are a protected species here in Florida. So this burrowing owl is only a few inches tall. They're not big at all. Alright guys, we're back out here where they have some iguanas at the tip tops of the trees. It's a very busy road, so we make sure we self-report here. So we just tried to call BSO. Sometimes they don't answer, so you have to call back. So I'm going to be calling again in just a moment. But right now we have a big orange iguana at the top, and we're not going to let anything slow us down to get him down. Let's see if I can see it there. Eat it with a thud. We have his lady friends all at the top of the tree, but they're really, really hard to see. So we're going to see if we can spot some of those and get some headshots off on them. Took his eye out, got you, iguana. Alright, these are really, really hard to see iguanas, y'all. We've been looking for like 5-10 minutes just to spot one, even though we saw 3 just a moment ago. That's him. Here we go. Got you.
Whoa.
That was a really sneaky one, y'all. Really sneaky.
Nice shot.
It actually came out the top of its head, but it needs a second shot, so we're going to put it down real quick. It's another female. Note how many females we get at this property. All right, there's a branch right here close to us. Just above it, you have all white sky, except for one little green branch way above it sticking out. The iguanas on that branch.
Copy. Oh, I see it. Okay.
Fall down now. Oh, almost caught it. Got you, iguana. Right there. You see his head poking up out of the top. See it? Oh, where'd he go? He's big.
He didn't drop. Here he is right here. Stop. Come to my side.
Wait, we want him to hit the trap over that way.
Yeah, he's right here facing the wall. Now he's facing me. Like I can reach out and grab him. And he's in the trap.
Got you, iguana, in our pre-set up trap. Take that. Look, somebody's taking his tail before. Maybe we broke it off when we tried to grab him just now. He was just sitting in the bush vertically.
Yeah, that's a fresh
hanging
break.
out.
That
Yeah, we just broke his tail. You see? Yeah. Got you both, iguanas.
What you up to, Jessica?
I'm trying to sneak up on this iguana before he runs. There he goes.
He's gonna run towards that trap.
We don't want him to go in the gazebo. We might have to hand catch him. It seems like he is. We should have taken the truck like you said. Right here. He's still in this porch. Give me a second to stop the truck. He's in this porch. You gotta get on the other side because he might run back, and I gotta stay on this side because he might go he'll put the gazebo. He's down low. There he goes. Here he goes. Come on, come on. He's right here. Right here, right here. Look at it trying to go up this. Yeah, they've been going up that. I think I had one escape up there the other day like that. So, got you, iguana. This is a daycare. They've been trying to get the iguanas out of here. Jermaine spotted this one crossing the grass. We tried to use the air rifle, but hand catching them is what happened. Got you, iguana. Okay, guys, this quick visit over here at the church ended up being a pretty productive day. We shot 4 iguanas out the tree, which were all very difficult to spot, except for maybe the orange one. All the girls clearly have eggs in them. This smaller iguana over here, Jermaine spotted in the bush. We ended up chasing it out of the bush, and Jermaine stomped it with his foot right before it snuck under the gazebo. This female was in the bush. I tried to hand grab it, but we ended up catching it in the trap. And this one was walking across the ground. We were gonna shoot it, but it ended up making its way around the building, and we hand caught it trying to sneak up a gutter drain. So we got here 7 iguanas in probably like 30-40 minutes, y'all. So got you, iguanas. This makes like iguana number 25 on this property. They have a huge issue. We're gonna be wrapping the trees and making a big difference for them before egg laying season. Got you, iguanas.